This is my first YouTube video, and this is also my first channel. So, you can see how it goes. Today, I'll be eating.
It's a super spicy pepper, not quite a ghost pepper or a Carolina Reaper. This little thing though can hold 500,000 Scoville units. Carolina Reapers are 2 million. Trinidad Scorpions are 1 million to 500,000. Trinidad Scorpion Butch T, 1 million to 500,000. And those are the top 3 peppers. This guy is actually exactly sitting in 19th place. I looked it up yesterday, and he's going to be eating it. It is small, but it is spicy. I haven't eaten it because it will kill my mouth. And he's going to eat it.
Just so you know, I've ate this several times.
And he tried.
No, I didn't. See, I'll prove it. By the way, I'm not going to have any milk or water or stuff. Unless I start dying, then I will.
Finish the pepper. See that speed packet? Oh, I just made it. Okay. No milk. We're going to sit here until it cools down. It might not.
My ears are busting out fire.
Meanwhile, I'm going to be looking up the exact placements for how hot this pepper is. While you can see a screaming boy in the back. This pepper. Ooh. Okay. We're going to be checking out the video. Okay. Origin United. You can grow these in the United States. Jalapeno referred scale. It's 20 times hotter than a jalapeno. We got a size to about 2 inches or 3 inches long. See, told you, it's super small. Oh yeah, but that's up to, and I actually do have a bigger one, but it's green. It's a peppery flavor, of course, goes.
Already. It's starting to go down.
Oh, it is? Yep, it's a super spicy pepper. They grow in like tons of bundles. I wish I could screen share, but they grow in like big cluster bundles. Let me get the plant real quick while you watch him scream.
I'm not crying. See, I'm not crying. My eyes are not even red.
This is the plant that we own. It got tons of flowers on it. And I picked, see, we have a bigger one
The spiciness is going away.
There. And yeah, it's a really good pepper. We really like it. But we have tons of peppers, and some of them are ghost peppers, Carolinas. He might do the same video eating like a ghost pepper or something. So I have to explain how many times a day or month you're posting.
I don't know, but I think that, oh, shoot. Okay. I think that it will be maybe once every 2 days, once every other day, once every other week, every week, I don't know, something like that. But it's not going to be a year. It's hot. Okay, it's gone. It's going away.